Made it to Wyoming. Yeah, we're gonna
drop the camper off on Wednesday, and it's currently
Thursday.
I really like Iowa.
I'm a fan of Iowa.
Big misconceptions that a lot of us, like, people love to travel with their pets, and that was us. Is like, I have an older dog. She's like 14, almost 15 years old, and we're like, you know, this should be easy or whatever.
Until then, don't miss out. Hit that follow button, hit that like button, subscribe, because we're getting up there. We are getting up there. We have how many subscribers?
We're getting close to 6,000.
6K, guys. 6K.
There's the truck museum, free entry, and it's right next to the world's biggest truck stop. We gotta see that. This is definitely a state we want to come back to. Dang, there's a TA over there too. This place is huge. It's crazy. I think this is bigger than Buc-ee's. How about you?
Hey.
Nope. I think it is. Made it to Wyoming. Yeah, we're gonna
drop the camper off on Wednesday, and it's currently
Thursday.
And we're almost to Wyoming.
Yeah.
And it's 8:08.
Yeah, we could drive. I could drive. Olivia did a little bit of driving, but we together, we're a team. We all drive. I mean, whether it's Mark.
I stay awake and keep you.
Yeah. Do that. A hot shot, bring in one of you guys a new camper so you can follow us along and yeah, travel along with us. But we made it here to Wyoming. We got probably about let's see,
a week and a half.
36 minutes to where we're heading, and that's nothing. I mean, that's from Cheyenne to Fort Collins to Cheyenne. So, and you know, before we had a Dutch Brothers in Cheyenne, we would do that trip quite often. So if you guys know where we're going, hit that like, that follow button. Until then,
let's see how our camper turns out.
But so let's talk about that. We've seen some really beautiful areas coming back west.
God, I really like Iowa.
I'm a fan of Iowa. And
not so much the middle. The middle reminds me of Nebraska, but that freaking 80 truck stop, the largest truck stop in
Iowa 80.
That was cool. Me and Houston have never been on the Mississippi River. That was freaking beautiful.
I would highly recommend going to the Mississippi River. Safety first.
Between Illinois and Iowa.
Yeah, and you just
Beautiful. We stayed at the Holiday Inn Express. It was $120, but then I had to pay
$50 for a dog.
For 50 for my dog. So, yeah.
That's all right. But you know, we're pretty excited to not have the camper. This drive was kind of long, but it's worth it. So, is there any campgrounds that you guys would recommend to stay? Maybe in the summer we plan to go back.
I would like to spend some time in Iowa and see how it is.
See them guns. Until then, like, subscribe, show all your friends. Catch you guys on the next one.
I think one of the big misconceptions that a lot of us, like, people love to travel with their pets, and that was us. Is like, I have an older dog. She's like 14, almost 15 years old, and we're like, you know, this should be easy or whatever. We see a lot of people travel with cats and dogs. We've seen people lose their cats. We've seen people have older dogs.
Yeah.
We have an older dog, and this lifestyle has been really freaking hard on her, and people don't talk about that, because I know a lot of the RV community are pet lovers, and they don't talk about that. This traveling full-time on my 15-year-old dog has been hard. She's declined a lot. So we finally made the decision as a family that she needs to be put down, just to like put her, like, not really.
Hey, I think if we say it in better terms, lay her to rest.
Yeah, we're just gonna it's just too hard on her. She's getting, it's just...
Her hips are going bad.
She had a seizure when we were at F.E. Warren the last time on base, and she had a seizure for like 10 minutes, and that was like kind of a wake-up call. I think it was a wake-up call, because now she kind of just like looks like she's not there. Like she's just... It's hard to travel with pets. It's hard to travel with kids, but like, you know, a pet is a lifelong commitment, and I just don't want to see her suffer anymore. So we're gonna put her down on Monday while we're in Cheyenne, so I can get everything taken care of for her. It sucks, but that's a big thing. Is it's hard to travel with kids. It's not easy. It's expensive, and pets, it's the same way. A pet is like people's family or like people's kids. So you really have to remember that, because it's definitely not easy. Houston's wanted another dog for the longest time, and I think this is kind of a wake-up call for all of us. Like, we probably won't get another pet or consider it until we're ready to like maybe transition from the RV life to something else. It's hard to have a pet. I'm sure for like the people who are pet lovers, it's not hard, but it's just like,
or don't have 4 kids.
It's a lot on them traveling. Like this was a 12-hour drive, and she's not doing good. It's just too hard on her. It sucks. This last year, me and Houston have been debating this a lot. We have been debating it a lot, and it sucks, but I'd rather this happen than she pass away on the road, and then what are we supposed to do? Yeah, it's not fair for her, so.
They might have just said it right there on the steps, or they're there, one of the two. Okay. All right, Dad. Love you. Take care. Bye.
What did he say?
Oh, Bubba, I was hungry. He's gonna be pissed. Miles.
Why'd you come over here?
So he doesn't slip on the ice?
I probably might. You don't like.
He's getting out of the shower.
He is?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
It sounded like he was in the bathroom. Hi, we have your Buffalo Wild Wings.
What up, dude?
Hi, Papa. What are you doing? I eat.
Come here.
I can't get up.
Until then, don't miss out. Hit that follow button, hit that like button, subscribe, because we're getting up there. We are getting up there. We have how many subscribers?
We're getting close to 6,000.
6K, guys. 6K. Get us to 10. Get us to 10. Until then, we appreciate all of you. You have a wonderful rest of your evening, night, whatever it may be, because it's dark out here. We've been driving since 8 this morning.
We crossed, what, 2 time zones? Or,
2 time zones. 2 time zones, 4 kids, 1 dog. We make it look like it's easy, but it ain't. We do it. But until then, like, subscribe, show our friends. Watch this. Wow.